The following message is transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department. At this time, a random man has been wandering around the streets with a silenced handgun. We do not know why he is doing this at this time. However, it is highly advised that you stay indoors at this time. Lock all doors, windows, and bring all outdoor pets inside. Seal up any cracks with a damp towel or wet cloth. Stay tuned to local media or news outlets at this time for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department. We have received a report of the man's name and description. His name is GMAN, and he is seemingly humanoid, although not confirmed. He has black hair, bluish-green eyes, and is 6 foot 7 feet tall. If you see anyone matching this description, run the opposite direction. Although his motives are unknown, it is not out of the window that he may be hostile. At this time, remain indoors and all entrances, including window and doors, must remain locked. All outdoor pets must also remain indoors at this time.
You foolish humans, I do not wish to harm you unless you get in my way.
Best you run home before you get hurt. Just stay back and let me take control. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. GMAN has won. He is the new leader of our country. At this time, we advise you to flee to another country, as he has only taken control of the United States. We have already come into contact with all of UN, and they will launch a counterattack against him. But for now, this country has fallen. Goodbye, and good luck.
The following message is transmitted by the request of His Majesty's government. At this time, GMAN is being attacked by the UN. We are doing this to free the United States of his tyrannical rule, to which he unrightfully claimed. To any US citizens currently in the UK, please, do not go back to your country until given the all-clear to do so. We will continue to provide more updates as more information is given on the battlefield.
What did I tell you? Do not interfere, or you will face your doom.
I don't know why you stupid fucking humans choose to not listen, but if ignorance is bliss, then your planet and all of its inhabitants are the most peaceful in the world.
The following message is transmitted by the request of His Majesty's government. At this time, GMAN has won. There is nothing we can do. He has launched nukes at the UN, and he successfully took them down. We regret to inform you that he launched a super nuke that will most certainly decimate the Earth upon impact. We will play the United Kingdom national anthem after this message. Gather your loved ones and spend your last moments together. Panic if doing so makes you feel better. Goodbye, and thank you for being a part of the planet.